Come on, grab your stuff. Step off. Oh. Grab your stuff. Let's go ahead and step off real quick. Go ahead and step off. Grab it. I know. I got it. We're going to bring it off.
Solid service.
Come on, grab your stuff.
On April 25th, 2024, airport officers responded to a theft report involving a flight attendant's stolen luggage. The suspect was located on a departing bus with the property in his possession.
No, go ahead and grab it off with me. Come on. Come on, grab your stuff. Step off. Oh. Grab your stuff. Let's go ahead and step off real quick. Go ahead and step off. Grab it. I know. I got it. We're going to bring it off.
Solid service.
No, go ahead and grab your card. Go ahead and get off.
I'll get the card. Just favor, have a seat over here, okay?
So, where are you coming from?
I just come from downtown.
Downtown?
Yep.
Okay. So were you at the airport just a minute ago?
Not recently.
Not recently? Okay. So why would we have a Sonia luggage with you in your possession?
Because I got a call for it.
You got a call for it?
Yeah.
Who called you for it?
By her.
Her? She called you? So right now we have you at the airport going to there and just picking that up and walking away.
And she called me.
Okay. You have any ID on you or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
How'd she call you?
Oh, Parkland.
She called you at Parkland?
Yes, I was at Parkland.
Okay. And how do you know her?
Oh, been friends for a long time.
Been friends for a long time?
Very long time.
Well, so how old is Sonia?
How old is she?
I'm sorry?
How old is she?
Yeah. How do you guys know each other? I know you said a long time, but how do you know each other? You guys go to school together? You guys?
Yeah.
So she's the same age as you?
Mm-hmm.
What age is that?
It's been so long.
You don't know your own age?
Yeah, I know my age.
Okay.
We're the same age. I'm 36.
Okay, so she would be 36 also, okay? Okay.
Is that your hospital band?
Yes.
Let me see it real quick. Hey, I'm going to take a picture of it, all right?
Okay.
I got the spelling wrong. What were you in Parkland for?
Oh, medication.
Medication? Okay. Well, I see all those cards that you have in your hand are also for Sonia as well. She tell you to get those too?
Yep.
Okay. Well, whose car keys are those?
It's mine.
Those are her car keys too?
No, it's mine. So I was at Parkland.
Those are your car keys?
Yes, it's mine. We share a car.
Okay. So here's the deal. So right now you're detained, okay?
Okay.
You're detained for an ongoing investigation for theft in progress, okay? We're going to contact Miss Sonia to see if she actually told you to come get it for her.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Right now would probably be the best thing to probably tell us the truth.
About what? I picked up a luggage.
Okay? Were you directed to?
Yes. I got called.
You were called
Yeah.
by Sonia herself and said, hey, go pick up my luggage from the airport.
I got called.
How do you know Sonia?
You just told us off to
Long-time friend.
Long-time friend? Where'd y'all meet?
Way back in high school.
High school?
Yes.
You're the same age.
I just gave him the PNR, so he's going to go talk to Prospect and just get a contact number.
Okay.
Do you have anything that's on you? That's any weapons or anything like that? Needles, knives, or anything like that? No? Where'd you get that watch from?
I've been having it.
You've been having it?
Yes, for a long time. Quite a long time.
So is that a credit card? Sonia's credit card?
No, it's not a credit card.
Debit card?
Yes, it's a debit.
It's a debit card?
Yes.
Let me see those keys real quick.
They're old. It's an old car.
So what kind of car is it?
Lincoln.
Lincoln? Okay. So do you have a phone on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a tile?
Tile?
Do you know what that is?
Oh, what's that? Title?
A tile. Do you know what a tile is?
What? Tile? Oh, what?
Like a tile. T-I-L-E.
A rag? What you mean, a rag?
No, not a towel. A tile. T-I-L-E. Do you know what that is?
Tile? No, where are you going?
No, you don't know what it is?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So if these are your car keys, you should know what's on your car keys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's an old car.
I understand it's an old car. But when I ask you, do you have a tile, you don't know what that is. There happens to be a tile on this keychain. You would think you would know what a tile is if you have it on your keychain.
It's been so long. I've been in Parkland all day.
Okay. So Antoine, you see how the story's not adding up, right?
I just go to Parkland.
I mean, I can ask anybody out here. They probably know exactly what's on their car keys. Okay?
Sure, but I mean,
we can figure out, we can call her right now and see if she has a Lincoln, if she has a towel on it, if she can track it. And if it all comes back to her, you have her keys in her possession.
I've been in Parkland, and I was going back to Parkland too.
So what made you come out here to the airport besides coming to pick up her stuff?
Oh, Lord. I've been having a long day. A long day.
So what time she call you?
Oh, this is way earlier, and I'm late. Late picking it up.
And what made her have you come pick up the bag instead of her picking up her own bag?
It's a long frame, but she called me from emergency.
From the emergency room?
Yes.
Hey, we're here at the baggage claim. The bag was actually sitting next to the ticket counter. By them, it was a bag that came in earlier. The passenger's not even here. They don't have any of the information.
It looks like it came in at 2:30, but I got the PNR and actually we just looked at the bag tag and it's got a phone number, so I'm just calling there right now.
All the information is on the bag, so I guess contact the victim, see what they want done.
Sweet, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
I guess that would have been easy just to look at that.
Hey, figure it out as we go.
Yeah.
Is this Miss Sonia? This is Officer Chris Collins from DFW Airport Police. How are you? So we have an incident. Do you know hold on one second, let me get his name, first of all. Do you know Chantuan? Okay. Did you request anybody to pick up your bags from the airport today? Okay. We currently have a bag that has your number, your bag tag on it in our possession. An individual got off of a DART train, walked up to the Terminal A, grabbed your bag, got back on the DART train, and we have him here in our custody right now. He's detained. So I'm making contact with you to make sure whether or not you gave him permission to retrieve your bag, because he's stating that you called him to come pick up his bag for you. Okay. Do you happen to own a vehicle? What kind of vehicle do you own? A Lincoln MKS? Okay. Do you have a tile on your keychain? Okay. It doesn't work? What about like a white watch? If I was to send you pictures of things with gold on it,
Watched it?
yep. Okay. Do I have permission to go through your bag to make sure everything's all here? We're gonna search the individual's person to make sure what else he has on him. He does have your white watch with gold ring. He's actually currently wearing it, and he said he's had that for a long time. He said the car keys was his. It's an old Lincoln. But whenever I asked him about the tile, he didn't even know what a tile was. So, which confirmed the fact that he didn't even know those were his car keys. But we're gonna search him to make sure there's nothing else on him that may be yours. I know he was holding a couple credit cards in his hands when I first made contact with him. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of everything that was on his person, and I'm gonna send them to you. Let me give you a call back, and then I'll let you know everything else, okay?
Don't take slipping. Take this match off real quick.
So this stuff is for sure all his. He had the American Airlines jacket on him.
Yeah, before you bring in any of the property, I just let him know he has or two lighters.
I'll let him know though.
So those are definitely his slides.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw his pizza away.
Yeah.
But he's got Sonia's name on
Oh,
the pizza.
well, he might. Oh,
Unless he wrote it on there or something, I don't know. Hey, all those cards that he had,
Yeah.
no, I want to see if they're hers. Because he had her debit card on him, so I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know where he got these from. Now, I can't prove the cash. Hi, Miss Sonia, it's Officer Collins again. So I just went and did just a search of your bag. I'm just gonna go over things with you as I put it back in. So I pulled everything out, and I'm gonna go over it with you, putting it back in. You have several articles of like envelopes and paperwork and documents with all of your name on it in here. A couple gift cards in here that has your. I think there's also like a membership card or something like that with your name on it. He had those gift cards on his person, your white guest watch on his person, and also the car keys on his person. What I need from you, a copy of your driver's license, and can you give me like a ballpark estimate of how much all this would cost? The reason I'm asking is because there's different levels of offenses for theft.
Well, I know the uniforms alone cost about $300, and then the watches I would say we're close to like $1,000 in that bag. If you added the gift cards and all that, yeah. Okay, so that guest watch was about 300.
Guest watch is about 300. Okay.
Yeah.
The other watch that you had in that that baggie, is that another guest watch? I'm assuming. No, it's a 9 West watch.
Yeah, that probably was only about 59 or something like that.
59ish.
And just all the earrings together, I would just say about $150, $200.
Okay. That is enough for us right now to basically add the charge that we need to have.
Okay. Did he go through the bag?
So I don't know 100%. My belief is, where did you have a American Airlines sweatshirt at? Would it have been like right on top?
Yeah, my sweater.
Yes, a sweater.
Yeah.
So I don't know, and I'm not digging too far into this, Miss Sonia. I don't know how you pack your bags. It does look like it may have been gone through, but it looks like all he did was take stuff out of the. Where was your car keys and the white gold watch at?
It should have been in like a pocket or on the side.
In the front?
Or something like that.
Like a top front pocket, like the small front pocket in the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the only pouch that was open. I don't believe a sweatshirt would fit in there, which leads me to believe that he did enter into your main compartment of your suitcase. But the only part that was open when I made contact with him was the top small part, which I led to believe is where probably all that small stuff was located. The stuff
When you saying sweatshirt, are you saying a sweater or?
Yeah, the sweater. I'm sorry. Just like the sweater jacket with like the American Airlines wings symbol on them. That's the only thing that had on it. But nothing else he had on him, except for, like I said, your car keys. The actual white watch with the gold, the guest watch, he actually had around his wrist. He was wearing it. The baggie of the miscellaneous jewelry, that was at the very bottom. I just saw that it may be of value, so that's why I pulled it out.
Okay. All right.
I just wanted to make sure, because I only saw one of some things. I wanted to make sure that you knew there's only one of some things, which you did confirm.
Okay. All right.
As far as what he's going to do, you are the victim of the offense, so he will be going to jail if you want to file charges.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. So he is going to jail for a theft of property, $750 to $2,500. Okay?
Okay.
Under the Fourth Amendment, officers may conduct an investigative detention when they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Terry v. Ohio established that specific, articulable facts must support the intrusion. Here, a direct theft report with matching suspect description satisfies this threshold. The officers are constitutionally justified in detaining this individual to investigate. The suspect claims the victim, Sonia, authorized him to collect her luggage. He states they've been friends since high school and are the same age, 36. Officers employ open-ended questioning, allowing the suspect to construct his narrative before introducing contradictory evidence. This is proper interview technique. Florida v. Royer establishes that investigative detentions must be limited in scope and duration. Officers must diligently pursue means to confirm or dispel their suspicions. The officer formally advises the suspect of his detention status for theft in progress. This transparency is constitutionally sound practice. Notice the officer states it would be best to tell the truth. This is not coercion. Officers may encourage honesty during non-custodial questioning without violating the Fifth Amendment. Miranda warnings are not required during investigative detention. The suspect is detained, but not under custodial interrogation for Miranda purposes. The suspect's story contains immediate red flags. He cannot answer basic questions about someone he claims to have known for decades. Officers conduct a protective weapons check. Terry permits brief pat-downs when officers reasonably believe the person may be armed and dangerous during a lawful stop. The suspect possesses debit cards bearing the victim's name, yet claims they're his own. These inconsistent statements demonstrate consciousness of guilt. Officers contact the actual victim to verify facts. This independent verification is crucial for building a prosecutable case, rather than relying solely on suspect statements. The luggage search is justified as an inventory of evidence. The victim will be asked to confirm ownership, establishing proper authority for the examination. Officers document every item. Documents with the victim's name, gift cards, membership cards, a guest watch, jewelry, and airline uniform pieces. The victim confirms she never authorized the suspect to take her property. She doesn't know him. Every claim he made was fabricated. She provides specific valuations. Guest watch, $300. Uniforms, $300. 9 West watch, $59. Jewelry, $150 to $200. Total value approaches $1,000. This figure is critical for charging purposes under state theft classification statutes. Most jurisdictions tier theft offenses by property value. Petty theft typically involves property under $750. Higher values elevate the offense severity. The suspect had opened the luggage, removed valuable items, and was wearing the victim's watch when apprehended. To prove theft, prosecutors must establish unauthorized taking of another's property, knowledge it belonged to another, and intent to permanently deprive the owner. All three elements are satisfied. The suspect took property without permission, knew it wasn't his, and attempted to flee with it. The victim exercises her right to pursue criminal charges. The suspect is charged with theft of property valued $750 to $2,500. This investigation demonstrates constitutional compliance from initial contact through charging. Reasonable suspicion justified the stop. The detention remained limited in scope. The search was properly conducted. The victim's rights were respected throughout. The airport officers receive a grade of A-. Their legal compliance was excellent. The stop was supported by reasonable suspicion from a direct theft report. The detention was appropriately limited, focused on investigating the specific reported crime. The search was legally proper, and the suspect received ample opportunity to explain. Tactically, officers were sound. They safely removed the suspect from the bus, conducted proper weapons checks, and maintained scene control throughout. Their interview technique was professional, allowing the suspect to speak while documenting inconsistencies. The victim contact was thorough and respectful. The only minor point preventing a full A. Officers could have more explicitly articulated reasonable suspicion facts on camera at initial contact for documentation purposes. The suspect receives a grade of F. He committed theft with no legal justification. His claim of authorization was immediately disprovable and proven false. He fabricated an entire relationship with the victim, claiming friendship since high school, yet couldn't answer basic questions about her. He possessed her debit cards, car keys, and watch, maintaining the absurd fiction that she called him to collect these items. Given multiple opportunities for honesty, he doubled down on easily verifiable lies. This demonstrated extremely poor judgment and consciousness of guilt. There are no mitigating factors. This was opportunistic theft with clear criminal intent and no claim of right to the property. The victim, Sonia, receives a grade of A. She reported the crime immediately, providing accurate description that enabled rapid suspect apprehension. She provided detailed property information and values essential for proper charging. She clearly stated she didn't know the suspect and hadn't authorized the taking. She cooperated fully and made an informed decision to pursue charges. This represents exactly how citizens should respond to property crime. Key lessons from this case. First, reasonable suspicion requires specific, articulable facts. not mere hunches.
I don't know, and I'm
A direct
not digging
crime
too far into
report
this,
with
Miss Anya. I don't
matching
know how you pack your
description
bags.
clearly
It does look like
satisfies
they've been
this
gone through,
standard.
but it looks like all he did was
Second,
take stuff out of the
investigative
luggage car
detentions
keys and
must
white
remain
bucket.
limited in scope and duration. Officers should diligently pursue verification rather than prolonging encounters unnecessarily.
That's the only pouch
Third,
that was open.
independent
I don't believe
verification
the zipper
strengthens
was in there.
cases
I believe the ability that
significantly.
they did enter into
Contacting the
your
victim
your
directly
suitcase.
eliminated any
But the
possible
only part that
defense
was
of
open when I made
consent
contact with
or
was the
mistake.
top small part, which I
Fourth, property value
small part
documentation
of it.
is essential for proper charging under tiered theft statutes. Detailed victim statements prevent disputes over offense classification. Finally, professional demeanor throughout investigations maintains constitutional compliance while building prosecutable cases. These officers demonstrated exactly that standard. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more content.